Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to make fried cabbage and sausage. It's a very easy and quick recipe. So let's begin. You will take one sausage that you will cut in small pieces. Once you are done cutting the sausage, you will set it aside. Then you will take a half head of cabbage that you will cut in thin slices and you will shred it. Then I'm cutting it and I'm transferring it to a strainer. So make sure once you are done cutting your cabbage to rinse it. After rinsing it, set it aside and we will use it later on. In a pan, you will put onion, carrot, and the sausage we have cut prior. I diced mine and made it smaller to make it cook better and faster. And you will also add some salt and pepper and let it fry. Our sausage has been frying for a couple of minutes. So now we are going to add the cabbage. Once the cabbage has been added to the sausage, we are going to stir it all up together and let it fry for a couple of minutes. Then we will add oregano. Once the oregano has been added, we will stir everything in. Once everything will be stirred in, make sure that you cover your pan and let the cabbage fry for a couple of minutes. Our cabbage has been frying for a couple of minutes. We can see that it's cooked. We will turn off the stove and let it cool off before serving. You do not have to fry the cabbage for long because if you don't want it to be soggy, you have to cook it just for a couple of minutes to keep the firm consistency. So now it's time to serve. You can see well done it is. So you can serve it with mashed potatoes or whatever side dish of your liking. I hope you try this recipe and let me know in the comments down below how you found it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell of notification for more videos.